This review is of Nature Valley granola cups with almond butter. And they are parve, so they're safe for Jews and Muslims. And, ooh, there are the nutrition facts. And let's see if I can show you the ingredients. And these are bioengineered, or they have some bioengineered ingredients in them. Okay, so this is unfortunately not that easy to show you, but I hope you can see most of it. I'll try to show it to you again after I've opened it up, if I don't damage it too much. Yes. Alright, so I will be able to show it to you. This is what they look like. And yeah, this should work out better for you. There you go. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and give these a try. The cookie's very dry, very crunchy, and the almond butter, as you can see, has a thick consistency like peanut butter, maybe thicker. And honestly, there's really not much flavor. Yeah. It's very mild. It's not too sweet, despite the 170 calories that you get in these two cookies. Go figure. Anyways, it's okay. I mean, it's not something that I find to be woo, but it's okay. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.